Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to 1213 Prescott Way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. Video. Welcome. I am at Long John Silver's for today's Vlogmas. Day 19. First off, I want to tell you that I do have the Dairy Queen Candy Cane Blizzard. And I will taste that first because this is my Christmas item, my holiday item for day 19. It is vanilla ice cream with crushed candy cane and chocolate. That's going to be enjoyable. But the main thing that I want to get to is my Long John Silver's meal. I have pollock fish. Then I have some hush puppies. Can't wait to tear these up too. And then I actually also have cod and some more hush puppies. And then I have 3 shrimp as well. Oh, look how big those are. And I also have some green beans and coleslaw. So I am ready to throw down, you guys. I am so hungry. So let me just start off like this. I wanted some of everything on here. Well, when I woke up this morning, I asked David, I was like, what day is it? Look, I'm getting ready to throw down. Oh yeah, and then I have to have some shrimp. I'm trying 1 piece of each. I already had salmon, so I didn't want any more salmon. And the only carbs I wanted was the hush puppies. I didn't want any. So this is what it's looking like. I'm like, how can I get my, look, let me get my blizzard in there. Let me turn it around. Woohoo! Okay. And then I also got a drink because I realized I'll be thirsty. The ice cream's not gonna, for my fish. I love hot sauce. Yummy. And do I put the hot sauce on there? Let me taste it. Let's try hot sauce on the shrimp. You want a bite? Take a bite of shrimp. At the end of this video, I'm going to reveal another food item that has been recalled. I figure since that's what we mostly do on this channel, I will do that at the end of my videos when I come upon, recalled items. Let me taste the hush puppy. I like their hush puppies. And then Have you guys ever had, well, there's Hush Puppies in Las Vegas. That's what it's called. And their Hush Puppies are so good. They just opened. Because I'm here early. So it's nice and fresh. So I need more. Now I'm going to try the Pollock. Take a bite. Nice and fresh. I don't know why I visualized this when I was at work. Putting the coleslaw on it. Hot. But it is delicious. I think I'll have another. She gave me a lot of hot sauce. Look at them. These are so delicious. I only got 3 of those. Very good. I actually love it. The fish with the coleslaw on top. Very delicious. 6 more days, you guys. And big shrimp, boy. I think I said it on the last video. They don't have Hush Puppies in Vegas anymore. I used to love going there. I think I like the pollock better than the cod. So that's what I'll get from now on. Try it. You'll like it. Is this week flying by, or is it just me? I had ordered, David and I, that's going to be a combination present for both of us. I ordered us an electric blanket. That dang power bill, I don't remember. Well, I don't even see it, but I don't remember. David told me it was $300. I'm like, dang. So I told him, I said, let's get, because I've been telling them to turn it off. Because it really don't heat up the place. You know, the bedroom is nice and warm. But the living room, we have on another heater. I told him, I said, just turn it off. I'm drinking fruit punch. I told you I got it from Long John Silver's because I knew I'd be thirsty. And guys, I'm gonna put back that, I think I'm gonna eat the other pollock. Now I'll go ahead and finish the cod. Cause then I wish I had it later. I had put the hot sauce on this one, so I'll go ahead and eat it. Let me see if the coleslaw helps it out. It's not bad. It's just now that I've tasted the pollock, I'd rather have that. Pollock. I keep saying pollock. And to think I never ate coleslaw. But back to the heating situation. David went ahead and bought, we already had one heater in the living room. And he bought another one. So I told him all we have to do is get an electric blanket. It reminds me of my mom. Each of us had an electric blanket. My mom didn't play no cold. More hot sauce on here. And then along with the coleslaw. But as a child, I think I don't think I really liked the electric blanket as much. Because it was, you know, you're hot when you're a child. But when we moved into this one place, when we moved from Las Vegas to Sacramento, it didn't have central heat and air. When I was, man, that thing was so, you hated to get from under the covers. A nice warm electric blanket. I would run in the bathroom and turn on the heat. Because you have that heater that was in the wall in the bathroom. Guys, I'm getting full. Delicious. One more bite. So, let me reveal to you guys what the recalled item is. And excuse me if I'm not pronouncing it correctly, but it's Manischewitz. They issue a product mislabeling advisory and voluntarily recall some very limited units of their dark chocolate coins. So in Bayonne, New Jersey, December 1st, 2023, Manischewitz is recalling Manischewitz dark chocolate coins because it may contain undeclared milk. People who have an allergy or severe sensitivity to milk run the risk of serious or life-threatening allergic reactions if they consume it. It says the Manischewitz dark chocolate coins were distributed to stores nationwide, predominantly located in the New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut regions during the weeks of September 26, 2023 and November 28, 2023. And the recall was initiated after the company was notified by their quality control department that a limited number of bags labeled as dark chocolate coins contain milk chocolate coins, which contains milk allergens that is not declared on the label. So all dairy milk chocolate coins are wrapped in gold foil within a blue netting, and all non-dairy dark chocolate coins are wrapped in silver foil within a red netting. So only packages bearing the lot code The UPC code is 072700200387. Display box UPS is 072700200356. And the description is the Manischewitz dark chocolate coins, 0.53 ounces, lot code 2283. And the company says they haven't received any notices of reports of illnesses or injuries to date. And they said they immediately informed all retailers who purchased those lot codes about the recall and instructed them to inspect them and remove any potential affected products on their shelves. So, and consumers who have purchased this products are advised to inspect their product if gold foil coins are in the dark chocolate bags and discontinue use immediately. Consumers may return the product for credit or refund, and if a consumer experiences an allergic reaction, they are urged to report to a medical provider, of course. And then consumers who have questions may contact them at customer care at kayco.com or by phone at 718-369-4600, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And they said this recall has been made, is being made with the knowledge of the FDA, the Food and Drug Administration. So, with that, I am going to go back to work and enjoy my blizzard. My candy cane blizzard. Look at that. You want something bad? So with that, you guys have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and commenting, because that helps it spread out to other people. And not to mention liking it. And if you want me to talk about something else or anything like that, just let me know. And I will see you on the next video. Love you.